Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Eternity's mobile frontline performance intelligence platform. My name is Trevor Matz, and I am the President and CEO of Aternity. I'm joined by Raviv Haramish, our Vice President of Products and Services. Over the next few minutes, we're going to demonstrate how Eternity's breakthrough new technology unplugs end-user experience management by going mobile. So let's get started. Mobile is not only the new face of engagement, it is fast becoming widely embraced as the focal point for business communications. According to a recent 2012 survey, 59% of businesses are already making line-of-business applications accessible from mobile devices, and 71% of businesses have plans to deploy custom mobile applications in the near future. For IT and line-of-business stakeholders, mobile represents a completely new paradigm and a major management challenge. And with business users embracing bring-your-own-device initiatives, IT is quickly losing control of managing end-user experience of critical business applications, while at the same time being tasked with ensuring the success of their mobile strategy. Aternity Mobile Frontline Performance Intelligence addresses these challenges by providing a comprehensive monitoring platform for all types of iOS and Android applications, irrespective of their delivery mechanism. Aternity Mobile FPI provides the industry's simplest and fastest way to instrument native mobile and mobile web applications while comprehensively monitoring the device network and service as well. Eternity's breakthrough technology provides a completely automated, one-click binary instrumentation process for native mobile apps. This is performed before the application is deployed to the enterprise private app store or provisioning server. Aternity Mobile FPI proactively detects mobile application performance and availability problems while determining root cause of poor user experience. With its advanced analytics engine, Aternity Mobile FPI identifies the contributing factors impacting mobile app performance, whether due to poor Wi-Fi connectivity or cellular network strength, low power mode or CPU load, target server issues or slow URLs, and maxed out storage or even OS version, for example. Aternity Mobile FPI's integrated and correlated view of business transaction response times with device and network metrics enables support teams to perform real-time and historical analysis of performance problems, dramatically reducing mean time to repair and, in many cases, preventing outages from reoccurring. Ravi, enough of the slideware. Let's demonstrate how Aternity does all this in real time. We are currently viewing the endpoint search form of the Aternity Management Console. This form enables the help desk and IT operations to search for any end-user device, including physical workstations, Citrix or terminal servers, virtual desktops, or Citrix sessions and mobile devices. At the top of the form, you can see that our demo system is monitoring about 200 endpoints and that no incidents have been detected at this time. Note the organizational information attached to each user that is integrated and culled from the corporate directory. Ravi, let's sort by type and focus on mobile users for this demo. Let's select Lewis and drill into Lewis's endpoint dashboard. The first thing we glean from Lewis's dashboard is that he's using a mobile device as opposed to a laptop or accessing a session on a Citrix box. We also see the information about his device, including the carrier, the operating system, in this case Android 3.1, and his geographic location, which happens to be his office address. The dashboard provides us with a time machine capability, enabling us to get a real-time snapshot or a historical view of Lewis's status. Ravi, let's take a look at yesterday morning, for example. A quick glance shows us that Lewis is using 2 mobile applications and having some major issues with mobile email. Clicking on any of the highlighted status blocks shows us the actual activity measurements for Lewis's mobile email applications and their deviation from either the automatically generated performance baselines or manually set thresholds. In this case, we see that send message took over 12 seconds. Poor end-user experience indeed. Drilling down into the host resource view will help us identify whether device, network, or service issues are responsible for the poor mobile email performance Lewis is experiencing. We immediately see that the signal strength of both the mobile and Wi-Fi network are fine. We see that the mobile CPU load and frequency, though, have peaked, while available memory and battery levels look just fine. Ravi, let's go back to the CPU level where we saw the spike. When clicking on the CPU spike, the top process list below is filtered accordingly, and we immediately see that the CPU benchmark process is the cause for high CPU, affecting the overall performance, including the mobile email application. Let's view this correlation between poor send mail performance and the CPU spike from another vantage point. The performance navigator that Ravi is showing you is Eternity's primary visualization tool used to slice and dice end-user performance metrics any way you wish in real time. For this demo, we've selected two pre-saved templates in the repository that were created and saved in a matter of seconds using the analysis view. The particular chart you're seeing shows the navigator's ability to trend any type of measurement in a single chart to correlate performance. We can see the activity response for mobile email and Google Docs, together with the mobile CPU load and the network transmission speed. And the spike shows a direct correlation between the send message response time and the CPU load. Let's take a quick look at another example, Ravi. In this chart, we're comparing the end-user performance of the mobile email application between two Android operating system versions, version 2.3.5 and 3.1. We clearly see that 2.3.5 performs better than the pilot users that have moved to 3.1. Grouping by a mobile operating system is only an example, as we could have just as easily have grouped by device make, SSID, location, or target server, for example. The mobile device is the fastest growing access point for business-critical applications today. And by unplugging end-user experience management, Aternity extends the industry's leading end-user experience management platform across all of the ways business users access applications, from physical machines, virtual desktops, and mobile devices, in a single, consistently architected, and massively scalable platform. Thank you all for taking the time to learn about Eternity Mobile Frontline Performance Intelligence. To learn more about Eternity and how we can bring winning performance to your frontline, please visit our website at www.eternity.com.